Ready to dive into the infinite possibilities of Minecraft without breaking the bank? Today, we're showing you how to unlock the blocky world of Minecraft using your Xbox Game Pass subscription in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, ensure you have an active Xbox Game Pass subscription. You can access it through your Xbox console or the Xbox app on your PC. Next, use the search bar within the Xbox Game Pass app and type in Minecraft. Find the version of Minecraft you want to install and click the install button. This may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once installed, launch Minecraft. You'll likely be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure this is the same account linked to your Xbox Game Pass. You're in. From the main menu, you can select single player to create your own world, multiplayer to join online servers, or explore realms for a private server experience with friends. Now get creative, build incredible structures, explore vast landscapes, and craft essential tools to survive. The possibilities are truly endless. That's it. You're now ready to enjoy Minecraft with your Xbox Game Pass. Happy crafting! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials.